Hi, Servando. I'm supplying this. If you ever want to make sure these rotate at the same rate, if you ever take them off and put them back on, you can, tighten them up. And then I have this spacer block. I usually put this between, right in there, the motor and the fly head. So when you push them on, see, there's 3 set screws for each one. So so I'm going to supply these. This is the rod. This is the rod that you put the wire through the back, and it comes out here. You see the wire right here? This is where the wire comes through. It's got a slot. Can you see the slot? There's a slot here. So what you'll do, go over here a little. When you put the spool in, stand over there more. The wire comes up through here, usually you make a loop here, and then it goes through this clamp and down. And then what you do is you take the wire and you put it in the hook. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to this other machine so you can see what I'm doing. See, you just do that, go through there, and you have to wiggle a little, and then it comes all the way out. You reach over here, and then when you push this back, see, you get the idea. So that's how you get the wire from the back to the front, and then go back this way, and then on the turret, normally you want the machine to start right about that area, and when it's done, you rotate this, and you're in position to do the next pair of coils. Now you might need to sand a lot of these bobbins. We designed it so this side goes on first, but a lot of these are kind of tight. So you probably want to take the sandpaper and sand them down till you get them just right, and you put them on there. So anyways, that's pretty much it.